Oh, what's up, guys? I decided to pull this out at the worst time. I'm at the drive-thru now. You're only going to get there a short amount of time of seeing my beautiful face. Just tiptoeing my way up in this building. For everybody who wants to see what the drive-thru looks like, this is what the drive-thru looks like. Just potato chips and pop everywhere. And that guy right there is the guy who owns the place. It is quite an interesting place to be. I used to have friends that worked here and come down here and spend hours upon hours of my night just hanging out in this general area. Having these the finest of times. So, how are you? I'm fine. Just went to the bank. Watched the police dog run outside in the grass. It's the small things in life, right? I'm I'm not working today, obviously, because there's no snow or moisture of any matter, so I can't even ice. Sorry, man, I'm blocking the guy. No, I'm not blocking the guy. Sorry, man. I tried to get over it. I could only go so far with the contact. Process. Unpause it because it's going to be a short video anyways. My ass is really warm due to the fact that this seat warmer inside of the seat is fantastic. Fantastic. It feels so fantastic. I get 2 packs of Marlboro Red 100s. It is cold and outside. It is 16 degrees outside. Sweet, it's China, the Chinese chicken. Yeah, the don't sip and your brain stop sipping. Watch the next file. Thanks, man. Alright. Now we're off. On our way back home. Driving over ice. Come, car, come. Thanks for waiting, but you should have come anyways. Could have and should have. Ooh, put the window up. It's cold. 16 degrees and then blowing on you. Not fucking fun, man. Actually, like I was saying before I stopped talking about what I was saying, yeah, so I'm not working right now because there's no snow or any salt needing to be put down, but that's fine because apparently this weekend and or the next coming week is supposed to have like a week straight of snow, and we're expected to have like 2 feet or some bullshit like that. So that pretty much just means next week I'm going to be busy 24/7, not sleeping at all, drinking lots of coffee, barely eating, and plowing snow. Yeah. So we're just prepping ourselves at the current moment of enjoying these days off. In which case, I started playing Forza Horizon 4 last night. My God, I'm in love with it. It's beautiful. It plays fantastically. I love the open world. How I can just drive my fucking brand new race car as fast as I can off a mountain if that's what I so choose to please to do. And I did it. But yeah, you know, like I said, just enjoying the relaxation, knowing that there's a large amount of snow on the way, and I already have a very large paycheck coming next Friday. Not this Friday, next Friday. When that paycheck comes, because I've already put in like 48 hours of time and 4 days, I think. 4 days, and I put 48 hours in. So, yeah. So pretty much, I'm pretty much like well on the way of having a really fat fucking paycheck, which is fantastic. I want the money, but at the same time, having to spend 16 hours straight sometimes, that sucks. To be able to make good money. Whee! I was drifting my plow truck the other night. It was so much fun. It was so much fun. Oh, well, okay, Richard. Drive past me because I'm trying to do stuff here. Really? Really right now? Okay, well, guess what? I'm back here, so you're gonna have to do it. My backup skills are impeccable. Perfect. Exactly where I was, when I left. Whoa! Oh, man, that was such a short, random, and non-informational video, but I hope you fucking enjoyed it, because that's what you got. But, let me put this here debit card back into my wallet. Excuse me. But, yes, I'm gonna go here in a moment. Burr, 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 burr. Oh man, my ears are ringing. My ears are ringing. Look at that American flag. The snow on the ground. Oh, the snow. So much. Hey, look at that broke down car that hasn't moved in the last 3 months. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Alright guys, if you like this video, a like would be much appreciated. If you're new to the channel, you should subscribe to keep up with awesome cool content like this one. If you're already part of the channel, you can share the video and show other people how fantastical this short, dumbass adventure was that you took along with me. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Goodbye. I said bye.